Hey folks, Mark Sugar here in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue at Dodge City. So right here I have the brand new 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in the special edition color Tuscadero Pink Pearl. So let's take a look at it. So you got the steel bumpers at the front, the red recovery tow hooks here, we got fat fog lamps in there, sports performance hood. Take a look at these aggressive tires with the nice rims there, rock rails along here, trail rated 4x4, hard top body color. And so with the new 2024 Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators, they have the big screen right there. And here's something else that's new. Now you have power seats, lumbar support. They didn't have those in the old ones. So we're gonna make the video quick, but I do want to show you around. Nice leather seats there. Also, a 5-foot bed box right here. You can do a spray and bed liner in there, but then you won't have that nice pink color. You can add a bed cover on here if you want. Backup cameras right there. So, recovery tow hook right here. We have parking sensors in the bumper there. This comes with a trailer hitch, 4-pin, 7-pin, and yeah, brake lights and everything. So also this you can use as kind of like a step to get in if you want. Also you can just step in the box right there, and it's nice and low enough. Gas cap here. Just look at that color though. Remote proximity entry, so you keep your key fob in your pocket right there. Just walk up, it'll be unlocked for you. Take a look at that. So just take a look at some of the interior features here with that napper leather, power adjustable seats. This is the Rubicon X package, lumbar support, all your features. Has an 8-speed automatic transmission, 12-inch display. This one's got 16 miles on it right now. Adaptive cruise control I see right here. These hard tops, they pop off 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hard tops are out. Oh, yeah. And well, that's just a quick look around. I guess the next thing, just come in and drive it. And we're offering the best in financing. We're taking trade-ins. Nobody's beating us on trade-ins and or selection of vehicles and or location. 8th and Preston, right in the heart of Saskatoon, right in the middle of 8th Street East. And yeah, so other than that, all our inventory is online, marksugardrive.com. If you have questions, just message me. Subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.